Meditation. Let's begin. Close your eyes, relax your body, and a natural breathing. The key to effective practice: natural relaxation. The body, the mind, and the breathing should all be relaxed. Slowly open your eyes. Try stretch. Stretch 6 meridians on your arms. Repeat one more time for stretch. Switch leg, please. Let's try again. Close your eyes. Relax your body and a natural breathing. The body, the mind, and the breathing should all be relaxed. Your heart should be at ease. Concentrate on the lower abdomen. Open your eyes. Stretch, please. The design of this meditation can be used for healing and relief of neck, shoulder, and the lower back pain. Also, can be used for build internal strength in dancing training. You will learn to relax the whole body and to improve the heart functionality. Slowly finish. Take a deep breath.